Hey guys, in this video, I will show you 5 products from the most popular brands that are the best in the market. The brands and models I listed here have been featured by the most popular review websites, and they have thousands of positive reviews on Amazon.com. In preparing this list, I did a lot of online research so that you'll find the best and most suitable one for you. So if you want to buy the best one that's worth your money, then don't skip. Watch the full video. Trust me, if you choose from this list, definitely you will buy the best one from the overcrowded market. One more thing, don't forget to check the links in the description. I will see you in the next video.
The Potensic Atom SE is a foldable and lightweight drone that weighs less than 250 grams, which means you don't need to register it with the FAA. Featuring a 4K HD EIS camera, the Atom SE can shoot 12 megapixel photos and 4K 30 FPS HD video. The camera has a 120-degree wide-angle lens and a 90-degree adjustable angle. The drone supports 5G FPV transmission, which allows you to see what the drone sees in real time. The Atom SE 4K drone comes with 2 intelligent 2500 mAh batteries, each battery running up to 31 minutes, for a total of 62 minutes. If the Atom SE loses signal or is in low power, it will auto-fly back to the takeoff point. The GPS drone is suitable for all levels. The drone has several intelligent flight modes, such as Follow Me, Orbit, Gesture Control, and Custom Path. You can also use the app to edit and share your media. The drone has a one-key return function, which makes it easy to recall the drone when needed. The drone also has a low battery alarm and a lost signal alarm, which can enhance the safety of the flight. The drone is ideal for travelers, vloggers, and outdoor enthusiasts who want a portable and easy-to-use drone with a decent camera and smart features. The drone costs $199.99 on Amazon, which is a fair price for its portability and convenience. The Aovo Drone with 4K camera is another foldable and lightweight drone that boasts a 4K UHD camera with a 90-degree field of view and a 90-degree up and down adjustment. The camera can record smooth and stable videos thanks to the electric image stabilization, EIS technology. The drone also has a GPS and optical flow positioning system that ensures accurate and stable flight. The drone has a flight time of up to 60 minutes with 2 batteries included, a control range of up to 3,280 feet, and an FPV range of up to 2,625 feet. The drone can be controlled with the included remote controller or the Aovo app on your phone. The drone also has smart features such as auto return home, follow me, orbit mode, waypoint mode, and gesture control. The Aovo drone with 4K camera is a good option for enthusiasts and advanced users who want a fast, agile, and powerful drone with a 4K IIS camera and GPS features. The drone costs $249.99 on Amazon, which is a fair price for its features and performance. The SYMA X500 4K drone is a foldable and portable drone that comes with a 4K UHD camera with a 120-degree field of view and a 90-degree vertical tilt. The camera can capture high-resolution photos and videos and transmit them to your smartphone via 5 GHz Wi-Fi. The drone also has a dual GPS system that enables smart features such as auto return home, follow me, object trace, and custom path. The drone has a flight time of up to 56 minutes with 2 batteries included, a control range of up to 300 inches, and a speed of up to 40 kilometers per hour. The drone is easy to operate with the included remote controller or the SYMA app on your phone. The drone also supports coding platforms like Tinker and Swift Playgrounds, which can teach STEM skills to kids. It is ideal for outdoor flying and exploring, as well as for learning coding and programming. The drone costs $199.90 on Amazon. The Potensic D80 is a good drone that comes with an excellent 2K camera and several advanced features like dual GPS, smart flight modes, and automatic return home. It has a flight time of around 20 minutes and a top speed of 40 km per h, which is pretty fast for this kind of drone. One of the main selling points of the Potensic D80 is its camera. It has an 8-megapixel sensor that can record videos in 2048 into 1088 pixel resolution at 30 FPS and take photos in 4096 into 3072 pixel resolution. The image quality is clear and stable thanks to the 2-axis gimbal stabilization and the EIS technology that can reduce video blurring. The Potensic D80 also has some intelligent flight features that make it easy to fly. It has a dual GPS that can lock the drone's position and altitude and enable the automatic return home function in case of low battery, signal loss, or one-key command. It also has smart flight modes such as Follow Me, Waypoint Flight, Point of Interest Flight, and Trajectory Flight that allow you to enjoy the fun of free flight. The Potensic D80 has a flying range of up to 800 meters, which is impressive for a drone of this size and price. The drone is powered by an 1800 mAh lithium battery that can support up to 20 minutes of continuous flight time. The Potensic D80 is a safe and reliable drone that has some safety features such as a low battery alarm, out-of-range alarm, and emergency stop. It also has LED lights that can indicate the drone's status and direction. The drone comes with a 2.4 GHz remote controller that has a built-in LCD screen that can display the drone's telemetry data. The controller also has a phone holder that can fit most smartphones. The Potensic D80 is suitable for various purposes, such as photography, videography, exploration, and entertainment. The Cheerwing U38S is a drone with a 4K IS anti-shake camera with a 2-axis gimbal that offers clear and stable videos and pictures. It has a wide-angle zoom function that can render the original details. The drone supports 5G FPV transmission, which allows users to view the live video on their smartphones or VR glasses. Flight features include GPS Follow Me, Waypoint Flight, Point of Interest Flight, and Trajectory Flight. With this drone, you'll be able to enjoy the creative fun of free flight. It also comes equipped with smart return to home and emergency stop functions, which makes it very beginner-friendly. To make sure that it's stable both indoors and outdoors, the drone has a triple stability guarantee: GPS and GLONASS dual-mode global positioning system, optical flow positioning, and image positioning. For its battery life, if you purchase this drone, you'll receive 2 batteries which will give you 52 minutes of total flight time. However, since it does weigh 0.55 kilograms, you'll need to register with the FAA before flying. If you're someone who wants to use different modes and features, then this could be perfect for you. But keep in mind that it isn't fast or agile, so races would be out of the picture.